Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Sunday. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So as you can see, we've got the car completely up now. The front wheels are back on. You can refer to my last weekend's brake video. So now it's time for the rears. I will tag that video in the end of this video so it's easy for you guys to find. He's already got this side completely torn down. We had to use our good old-fashioned puller again because it has the same keyway type thing as the hearse did. If you guys aren't familiar with that, you guys should check that video out on my disc brake conversion on the hearse. Car is filthy right now. And then in here, we have our newly done radiator for it, right here. This radiator actually came out of one of my mom's other 48s that she had. The one that was in this car right here was pretty shot. They said that it was really not even salvageable. I mean, don't get me wrong, it was salvageable, but it would have cost like $2,000 was the quote to get it record. So luckily, out in our stockpile of parts, we had the radiator from my mom's other 48 still, and we got that one pressure checked and things like that, and it actually came back with flying colors. So they just kind of refurbished that a little bit. We have a new gasket and thermostat that we're going to be installing soon, so that hopefully that'll happen today. But I'll be filming the whole process. We've already installed new fuel lines today, so it hooks up with our gas tank. We dropped the gas tank a long time ago and cleaned that out. It's just been kind of a slow going process. So anyway, thanks for joining the video. So before we put our new radiator back, just flushing things out. Got a bunch of nasty brown water coming out of it. So like we showed you guys in the video the other day, nice new rebuilt wheel cylinder that my dad just did. The back ones are smaller than the front ones. We went over that in the last video because obviously you do more of your stopping with the front. Cleaned up the drums. Radiator's in. We're just getting ready to bolt it in. Slow but sure progress. So progress on the 48. We ended up breaking one of the hard lines on this side for brakes. So we got to fix that, but that's all put back together now. The radiator's in it. So we just have to get the new hoses on. As you saw earlier, we flushed it out already, so that's good. So we're kind of coming to the end of the day here. Driver's side is done. Like I said earlier, or I think I said it, broke a brake line on this side, so we have to replace that completely. But the radiator's in. Some of the hoses that were ordered from O'Reilly's, of course, came in wrong. So, and then we also need bolts to put the thermostat housing on because the radiator shop actually ended up keeping those. So I need to go buy new bolts because they stole mine. So anyway, kind of a little bit of a hiccup there, but you know, just little loose ends that we have to finish up. So we're just putting the passenger side together now. I should say my dad is, and then we should be done for the day. Thank you for watching today, guys. My dad has done a bunch of hard work out here. I haven't been much of a part of today's video, unfortunately, but like I said, he's done a bunch of hard work. We will be rebuilding the master cylinder on it, and possibly tomorrow, we'll see, I don't know. It's going to be kind of hard to get it off. It is underneath the floor on the driver's side. A lot of people don't know that. Kind of an interesting place for it. It is not on the firewall like later model Cadillacs like this one. So got to get under there and get it off. Got to do some loosening of some bolts and things like that. So that's going to be a project for another day. We've done as much as we can do today. Have a blessed Sunday evening, guys. Take care.